Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Nintendo Switch 2 display full screen. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just hooked up your Nintendo Switch 2 to your TV and you're wondering why it's not full screen. How do you actually go ahead about fixing that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to where it says System Settings. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says Display and click on Display. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down even more and click on where it says Adjust Screen Size. So once you click on Adjust Screen Size, you can notice how you can change the zoom. You want to make sure that this is set to 100% and then click on OK. Now, as you can see, your Nintendo Switch 2 display is now full screen, taking up the entirety of your TV. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make your Nintendo Switch 2 display full size. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.